Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and on this channel we talk about all things McCall. Today we're going to talk about the Payette Lakes Club that was established in 1914. It's located in McCall, Idaho. It can be sold with or without real estate. The Payette Lakes Club Beach is located down Warren Wagon Road. You turn right on Brentwood and follow it down until you hit the shore. Payette Lakes Club is a members-only beach area that includes 20 boat slips. 15 are leased and 6 are open based on a first-come, first-served basis for just the members, and they can use those slips for 7 days at a time. The annual dues for the membership are currently $500 a year. There's also places to store your kayaks and your paddle boards. Currently, a Payette Lakes Club membership can be sold with or without the real estate. If it's sold with the real estate or without, it's valued right now between $100,000 and $125,000. So having a membership is definitely an asset. Having access to this beach also opens up several opportunities for just socializing. They have a Labor Day annual party. They have yoga on the beach, sometimes on Sundays. And then during the summer, they have a Friday cookout, which is also a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this video all about Payette Lakes Club. Next time you see a property that comes on the market and it includes a Payette Lakes Club membership, now you know what you get. If this video has given you more information about McCall, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.